Hello traders, hello investors, how are you guys doing today my friends? Welcome to another video here in the Finance Hydra channel. Today Tesla is going up almost 3%. We are recovering from yesterday's crash and right now it feels to me that Tesla is trying to stabilize in this area. So could this possibly be a buy sign? I mean, is there any evidence that Tesla is trying to do a bottom at this area? Yes, there is. There are some technical evidence that Tesla is trying to do a bottom sign right now. However, the situation is still quite delicate. It is still quite risky. I'm gonna give you guys more details in this video. First, remember, click on the like button to support this channel and subscribe because I'm gonna keep you guys updated every single day on Tesla's price action and on other stocks as well. Now, back to Tesla. On the bullish side, it feels like Tesla is oversold, right? This is true. I mean, yesterday we had a very sharp sell-off, which to me seems to be an exhaustion bar, a very huge bearish candlestick with high volume. However, this candlestick appeared after the bearish sentiment materialized. So selling over here, it feels to me it is just too late. Now, selling up here, it is a completely different story. I told you guys this, right, in this channel. I told you guys, I don't think it is a good idea buying Tesla over here right now because the smart money is going to sell at this price level. Now, buying Tesla over here, to me, sounds much more interesting than buying Tesla above 300. So right now, Tesla looks like exhausted and it feels like it is trying to do a bottom sign because first, exhaustion bar, I already mentioned this exhaustion bar before. Now we are doing a doji candlestick pattern, which shows uncertainty, yes. However, today's low was not lower than yesterday's low. So this is relatively good. In addition, yesterday's high was above, I'm so sorry, today's high was above yesterday's high. So, okay, it feels like Tesla is trying to recover, is doing its best. But to me, guys, it is important for Tesla to break $250. Today, we broke this line over here, this black line. Okay, great. But we couldn't close above this black line yet. So we are doing doji, we are still below this area. Is there still any chance that Tesla is going to react? Yes, there is, because we are still very close to this support level. There is still time for a reaction. In addition to all of this, if we analyze the weekly chart, in the weekly chart, if we use Fibonacci retracement from this bottom to this top over here, Tesla dropped it. It respected the 38.2%. It bounced back up, but then we lost the 38.2% again. And as I always tell you guys, most of the time when we respect the first retracement just to ignore it afterwards, usually the 61.8% retracement is the next technical stop level for us. Not stop level, but it is going to be our next stop. So we are retesting the 61.8%. And to me, so far, it feels like Tesla is trying to react. If it closes above the 61.8% retracement this week, I'm gonna take this as a good bullish sign as well. So, okay, yes, we do have some good bullish technical evidence that we are gonna bounce back up indeed. What could potentially frustrate this idea? Tesla must not lose yesterday's low again, because if it does, I think it is going to retest the $225. In addition, if we take a look at the macro situation, SPY is already doing a fantastic movement. This movement was okay, this movement over here was completely expected by us, right? SPY retested the previous support level, a quite strong support level, by the way. The volume was increasing at this area, and right now we are bouncing back up to the 21 EMA along with QQQ. So we are already flying. Many stocks are flying right now, are performing amazingly well, including the mega cap stocks. Look at this. Amazon already retested the 21 EMA. Apple is seeking the EMA as well. Nvidia is quite close to the resistance. Google is already quite close to the EMA as well. Microsoft broke the EMA, so many stocks are, except meta platforms, right? This one is a dog of stock. However, most stocks are performing insanely well. I recommended many stocks on my newsletters. This is why it is very important for you guys to subscribe to my newsletters. Check my website. The link is in the description of this video. For instance, yesterday I recommended a stock which is going up 17% today. 17%. I recommended a Brazilian fintech stock that is completely outside of everybody's radars, but still, it is going up 25% since Friday. So I think you guys are going to appreciate my recommendations. Remember to subscribe to my newsletters. Which stocks I'm talking about? Only our subscribers have access to these stocks, all right? So seriously, subscribe to our newsletters. I think you are going to appreciate our content. So considering this scenario, it feels to me that, okay, if SPY, if QQQ, they actually find a resistance at their 21 mimas, I think we're gonna see a pullback in the short term at least. All right. So, and if we see that, probably Tesla is going to follow the momentum because Tesla looks relatively weak right now. As one of you guys pointed out to me recently, Tesla was the strongest stock, now is the weakest stock. Well, balance, right? The market will always try to find equilibrium. So if we see a micro pullback on the broad market, yes, Tesla will potentially drop a little bit more. So it is important for SPY to keep going up, to break the 21 EMA, just like I think it's Microsoft, right? Just like Microsoft is doing right now. This is very important. If the market keeps its bullish momentum, I think Tesla will have decent chances of confirm this bottom over here and bounce back up to the 21 EMA next. All right. So, but so far, Tesla is still on bear territory. It is still in a bearish momentum, and I don't see any meaningful technical evidence that we are going to reverse. But yes, this is a possible bottom sign. Let's see if Tesla is going to break the 250 next. I will keep you guys updated every single day in this channel. So subscribe to this channel to keep in touch with my daily analysis and subscribe to my newsletters because we are doing insanely well. I think you guys are going to appreciate my content. Thank you very much, guys. Stay safe. Farewell.